Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 13, 2023 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 13, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Monday, November 13, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 13, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Monday, November 13, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 13, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.